Today is a very exciting day because we are going to see some puffins. I'm heading out on the brand new Puffin Boat and Castles Day Tour with Experience Scotland's Wild. I have never seen a puffin before, so I'm so excited to do this tour, and I thought I had to take you guys along with me. So fingers crossed we're in luck today, and let's go. Okay, so the first stop on the tour today is Tantallon Castle, which is about a 45-minute drive just outside of Edinburgh. And let me tell you, the views are absolutely incredible here. This castle dates back to the 14th century and it's got some incredible history, and I cannot wait to get in there and get exploring. You can really see why they have chosen this spot for the tour. It's so dramatic. We're sitting right on the cliffs. If you listen quietly, you might be able to hear some seabirds. That right there is Bass Rock, which is home to the largest gannet colony, and I believe later when we take our Puffin boat ride, we'll be headed out there. There's quite a lot of wee parts to explore here, which is super fun. This castle was once the home to the powerful Douglas family. Let's head up and see the incredible views from the battlements. We're right at the top. What a view! So we've had a bit of time to explore this castle, which has been amazing. Now we're going to head into the town of North Berwick, where we're going to try some seafood before we get on the boat, and then it's puffin time, we hope. We have now just arrived in North Berwick. Very charming seaside town. We've got some time to explore here, and I'm going to try and grab some seafood before our boat trip. There are loads of independent shops and cafes and restaurants here. Lots of places to try fresh seafood. It's great on this tour having the time to wander around this town. It really does feel like you're properly on holiday. Time to source some seafood. We are awaiting the goods. We have secured some crispy prawns. So we're fed now, and it was absolutely delicious. Cannot beat a bit of fresh seafood, especially by the sea. And it is now time to go on our Puffin boat trip. Come on. Now we're making our way round to the boat, and we'll be on our merry way. And we're on the boat.
Welcome everyone. Are we all excited? Yes. A wee puffin.
Look at that! There's one. It is quite hard to see through the phone, but we have seen puffins. First time seeing a puffin. So that was us going around Craigleith, and we are now sailing over to Bass Rock, which has the largest gannet colony. You can actually see Tantallon Castle that we were at earlier today. From a distance, Bass Rock actually looks like it's just white, but it's birds. And when you get closer, you realise that.
Here at the Bass Rock, a volcanic plug made up of basalt and phonolite rock. It is of course home to our largest colony of our Northern Atlantic gannet. Our last official count of our gannets, there was around about 75,000 pairs on the island. That was back in 2016.
The view of Bass Rock is absolutely incredible. I feel very fulfilled, happy to have seen these puffins today. What an experience this is! We're heading back in now, back to North Berwick.
Bye now, thank you.
Well, there we have it. Puffins were seen, and so were a lot of gannets. A pretty successful trip, I would say. Over the moon at seeing the puffins. So now it is the end of a pretty fun and exciting day. Exploring Tantallon Castle, coming to North Berwick, and getting to see some puffins. I've definitely had worse days. If you would like to come and explore these amazing places, then check out our brand new Puffins Boat and Castles Day Tour. Head to our website for availability. A brilliant day.